Hi guys, this is Philip here. So you're a jeweler or a metalsmith and you're heading to Tokyo. Maybe you're going to the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, Paralympics, or maybe you're just going to the sites like Mount Fuji, or maybe you're going to Hokkaido for skiing, but you're thinking, where do I go to get my jewellery supplies, my tools, or my metalsmithing stakes, hammers? So I have the right answer for you. I recently went to Japan and I have found the best jeweler metalsmith tool shop in Japan. So here it goes. I hope you enjoy it. So I just came out of the north side exit of Okachimachi station, which is the next station from Ueno, which is a major station. And I just came out and I'm just walking to the right and going straight ahead. And as you can see, there are a lot of people, and Okachimachi is known as the jewelry town of Japan. So I'm just walking towards, so I came out of the station walking right towards a major road which is Showa-dori. So I'm just following this man and heading towards Showa-dori. So as I was saying, Okachimachi is the jewelry town of Japan, and there are more than 2,000 jewelry shops, jewelry related wholesalers, retailers, suppliers, manufacturers in this small area. So I'm just heading towards Showa-dori, which is this major road, and we're going to cross this major road and head towards this tool shop. So I'm just waiting for the lights to go green so I can cross the road. So now that the lights are green, I'm walking across Showa-dori and heading to this tool shop, and there's this huge purple building. So if you ever get lost, head to this purple building. This building is called Takeya, and it's like a discount store, and it sells food, cosmetics, electronics, and all sorts of stuff for a cheap price. So just head straight through the intersection and keep on walking along this road, which is not Showa-dori. So basically you just cross over Showa-dori and you just keep on walking straight ahead. Another shop, Bambi, it's a jewelry watch company, so just head straight ahead and keep on going. Once you see this shop with the red sign, it actually says Miyagi Shoten. If you're into Ziploc bags, shopping bags, all sorts of plastic bags, that's where your supplier would be. You turn right at the lights and you're pretty close to the tool shop now. So just keep walking about maybe 100 meters. Keep on going. There's a bike shop on the left hand side. Just cross this little street here as well. Just keep on going. So all in all, it will probably take from that north exit at Okachimachi station to this tool shop about 5 minutes, depending on how long you need to wait for that lights at Showa-dori. So once you see this the second street, turn left. This is Yonchome. Turn left here, and the shop is about 15 meters on the right hand side. Good thing to look for is the green penguin, and also the Seaforce sign, which is the name of the tool shop.
So this is how you get to the best tool shop, jeweler, metalsmith tool shop in Japan. And when I went, it was the grand opening of the actual shop, so hence there's a lot of people there. Apparently there's about 50 staff. Yeah, so there it is. So let's take a look inside. So on the right side, which is this area here, underneath the big green penguin, is the heavy machinery. They've got some 5-axis CNCs and a few heavy duty laser cutters and some massive lathe. And on the left hand side, which is the new building here, it's a 5-story building, and it pretty much caters for jewelers, metalsmiths, and people who are interested in metalwork in general. So the first floor will be these hand tools. So let's just go in and check it out then. So this is the entrance, you can see. There's a elevator there, and yep, obviously it's quite busy because it was the grand opening. And there's some, that's some jewellery cloth, and there's some micro motors, tumblers on the left hand side. What do I say here? Yeah, there's basically a lot of tools. This row has a lot of snips, pliers, yep, and you've got your wooden hammers, your stakes, your hammer heads, your traditional metal chisels. These are hammerheads, I believe. And then I'm just going through the aisles. So pretty much anything and everything you need in jewellery or metalsmith will be here. They have Japanese made traditional metalsmithing tools, as well as overseas tools from Switzerland, Germany, Italy, pretty much you name it, it will be there. And they have a lot of stock as well, so unlike other places where you need to order it, you pretty much go there and it will be there, definitely. So that was the first floor. I pretty much just sort of skipped through the aisles, but I'll just show you a glimpse of what the shop's like. So I'm just going to the second floor, which is more of the expensive tools like laser machines, engravers, casting machines, vulcanizers, plating machines, 3D printers, 3D scanners, CNCs, so and micro welders. Yep, so a lot of expensive machinery. They make their own laser markers, laser welders, and they also import laser machines from, I think, from Italy. And the orange cover that you saw, those are Italian 3D printers. And they also have a little bar to relax and have a chat. And so this is the second floor. Yeah, as I said, lots of pretty awesome, expensive machinery. And now I'm heading to the third floor. And the third floor is it's more like an atelier or a studio. So if you want to get plating done, if you want to get 3D printed stuff done, casting done, this is where you can actually drop off your work, or you can order stuff. And there's certain people who do certain jobs, like there's a plating person, and this guy's probably a jeweler, so he'll fix your jewellery or he will actually make it for you. This is the plating studio. Yep, so so that's the plating studio. Then this area is a demonstration area, and I don't know what that was. Obviously it's a counter.
So there it was, a quick guide on how to get to Seaforce, and also a quick shop tour of Seaforce, which I think is the best jewellery tool shop in Japan at the moment. I hope you enjoy it, and happy choking! See you next time!